So good evening all. Good evening all. We'll start the discussion of our CUET PG questions. I hope the screen is visible and my sound is audible. Please let me know in the chat box. So we were discussing some important questions from our CUET PG expected questions. Okay, expected set of questions what we are discussing so far. So I will continue the discussion of the questions, and here now I will be discussing some questions randomly. Yeah, this is yeah. So this is a question number 1. Okay, so this is a question number 1. This question says a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. And the question is, find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So this is the first question. We will be discussing a set of questions. And so the first question is, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Okay, find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. That's a question. Try to do the questions. Okay, after doing the question, you can post the answer in the chat box or the comment section. Okay, anybody? Yeah, so the question says a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the mixture is a question. So this type of question we'll be doing in a way like we have the mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. So initially it's a question from ratio. So initially the ratio of we have alcohol. Okay, we have the ratio of alcohol to water, or the ratio of alcohol to water is 4:3. Okay, we have a mixture containing alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. So we have the ratio of alcohol and water is 4:3, which means 4:3 we have it as 4/3. Okay, we can write 4:3 as 4/3. And this particular question, in this particular question, it's given that, okay, in this particular question, it's given that if 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. It's given if 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. So what is being added? Only water is being added, not alcohol and water. So we know alcohol is to water ratio is 4:3. So the 4 part is alcohol and the water part is 3. So it's given in this particular question that when 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, is it? When 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. So we can't add directly to the ratio 4:3. Okay, we can't add a number specifically to a ratio number because the ratio may be the simplified form of the original ratio. Okay, the fractional simplified form of the original ratio. So what we'll be doing, we can add directly to 4:3, 4/3. Okay, we can add directly to 4/3 or 4:3. Instead, what we can do, we can, okay, make 4/3 as 4x/3x. We can write 4/3 as, okay, we can write 4/3 as 4x/3x. Okay, we can write 4/3 as 4x/3x. Okay, 4x/3x. Then we can add. So what's being added here? If 5 liters of water is added, listen, only water is added. 5 liters of alcohol is not added. 5 liters of both alcohol and water is not added. Instead, only 5 liters of water is being added. Okay, instead only 5 liters of water is being added. So water is a denominator part. So we can write 4x/3x plus 5. Okay, so this will be the equation, this will be the ratio after the addition of 5. So we have 4x by 3x plus 5. Okay, we have 4x by 3x plus 5 is equal to, what is the new ratio? The new ratio is 4:5. So the new ratio is 4/5. The new ratio is 4/5. Then we'll be simplifying this one. How is this? The equation is like this: 4x by 3x plus 5 is equal to 4/5. We'll be cross multiplying the equation. Okay, we'll be cross multiplying the equation. We'll be having 5 into 4x is equal to 4 into 3x plus 5. That is 5 into 4x. We have 20x. Okay, 5 into 4x we have 20x is equal to 12x plus 20. Okay, 20x equal to 12x plus 20. So taking x into one side, 20x minus 12x is equal to 20. We have 8x is equal to 20. We have x is equal to 20 by 8, that is equal to 2.5. So we'll be having 2.5 as the value of x. 2.5 as a value of x. Remember, in this particular question, the question being asked is, find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. That's the question. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So what's the quantity of alcohol? We have alcohol by water 4x. Okay, so quantity of alcohol is, we have 4x. That is 4 into 2.5. That is equal to 10. Okay, so quantity of alcohol is 4x. That is equal to 4 into 2.5. That is equal to 10. That is equal to 10. So we'll be having answer 10 as the correct answer. So we'll be having answer 10 as the correct answer. Okay, so we have, in this particular question, the given ratio is 4:3. 5 liter of the ratio 4:3 is ratio of alcohol by water. Alcohol by water is 4:3. So we have 4/3. Okay, so as to add, we change 4/3 is to 4x by 3x. Then we'll be adding 5 liter of water. So only to 3, the denominator part we are adding 5. 4x by 3x plus 5 is equal to 4/5. Okay, 4x by 3x plus 5 is equal to, we have it as 4/5. Then after solving, we will get the value of x as 2.5. After solving, we will be getting the value of x as 2.5. Then, okay, after getting x is equal to 2.5, we will be having value of alcohol is 4x. That is 4 into 2.5. That is equal to 10. 4 into 2.5. That is equal to 10. Yeah. I hope it's clear. Answer C, 10 is the correct answer for this particular question. Answer C, 10 is the correct answer for this particular question. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. So moving to the next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. This is a question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. If 16 is added to both the numbers, the ratio become 1:2. The numbers are. So this is the question we have. The two numbers are in the ratio. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. If 16 is added to both the numbers, the ratio becomes 1:2. The numbers are. Try to do the question and give me the answers. I will give you some time. Two numbers are in the ratio, okay, 2:5. If 16 is added to both the numbers, the ratio become 1:2. The numbers are. That's the question. If 16 is added to both the numbers, the ratio become 1:2. The numbers are. Yeah, so let's try to do the question. This question will be, we can solve this question also as in the same pattern as we have done the last question. Okay, we can solve this question in the same pattern as we have done the last question. So here we have two numbers are in the ratio 2:5. Okay, so we have two numbers are in the ratio, we have it as, yeah, 2:5. So that can be written as 2x by 5x. Okay, we can write it as 2x by 5x. Then it's given if 16 is added to both. If 16 is added to both, so we have 2x plus 16 by 5x plus 16. Okay, if 16 is added to both numbers, okay, if 16 is added to both the numbers, the ratio become 1:3. So we have 2x by 5x when 16 is added to both. So since we are adding 16 to both, we have 2x plus 16 by 5x plus 16. The ratio become 1:2. Okay, this particular question said the ratio become 1:2. Okay, the ratio become 1:2. The ratio become 1:2. Now we'll be cross multiplying this one. Okay, we'll be cross multiplying this one. So we have 2 into 2x plus 16 is equal to 1 into 5x plus 16. That is 2 into 2x, 4x plus 32. Okay, 2 into 2x plus 16. 4x plus 32 is equal to 5x plus 16. X is equal to, so how will be solving? 5x minus 4x is equal to 32 minus 16. That is equal to x is equal to 16. So we have x is equal to 16. Okay, we have x is equal to 16 as a value here. So the question is, the numbers are, what are the numbers? The numbers are 2x and 5x. Is it? Yeah, we have the numbers are 2x and 5x. Okay, we have the numbers are 2x and 5x. So we have x is equal to 16. So we'll be having 2 into 16. That is equal to 32. And 5 into 16. That is equal to 80. Okay, 2x equal to, we have 2 into 16. That is equal to 32. 5x, we have 5 into 16. That is equal to 80. So the numbers are, we have the numbers are 32 and 80. Okay, 32 and 80, 32 and 80. So we have option A as the correct answer. Okay, option A, 32, 80 is a correct answer. Yeah, I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Any doubts or any confusion? Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's it. Moving to the next question. Yeah, we have the next question. Question number 3. Yeah, another question of the same type. So we'll doing 1 or 2 questions of the same type. But here there is a small difference because it's a subtraction. The concept is being discussed. The concept being discussed here is a subtraction. So we have 2 numbers are in the ratio. It's not ration, it's ratio. Okay, 2 numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If nan is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio become 12:23. If nan is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio become 12:23. Okay, the ratio become 12:23. The numbers are, okay, that's the question. It's already given 2 numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If nan is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio becomes 12:23. The ratio becomes 12:23. The numbers are, okay, the numbers are, that's the question. So try to do, I will give you a few seconds. Okay, try to do, I will give you a few seconds. Okay, so we have 2 numbers are in the ratio 3:5. Okay, so we have the numbers are 3:5. That will be 3/5. So we can't subtract. Is it? We can subtract NAND directly from 3 and 5. So we'll be writing it as 3x by 5x. Okay, so we have the original ratio as 3x by 5x. Okay, we have the original ratio as 3x by 5x. If NAND is subtracted from the numbers, okay, if NAND is subtracted from the numbers, we have 3x minus 9 by 5x minus 9. If NAND is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio becomes 12:23. That is 12 by 23. That's what have been already stated in the question. Is it? So it's already given. Okay, so we have, it's already given. Two numbers are in the ratio. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If NAND is subtracted from the numbers, when NAND is subtracted from the numbers, the new ratio becomes 12 by 23. So 3x by 5x, 3:5, that is 3 by 5. So as to subtract NAND, we change it into 3x by 5x. So we'll be subtracting NAND. So we have 3x minus NAND by 5x minus NAND. So we have 12 by 23. Okay, so we have, yeah, 12 by 23. So we'll be cross multiplying it. We have 23 into 3x plus, 3x minus 9 is equal to 12 into 5x minus 9. So 23 into 3x, 69x. Okay, 23 into 3x, we have 69x minus 9 into 23, we have 180, 207. Is it? Yeah, 207. 207 equals 12 into 50x, 60x minus 12 into 9, 108. Okay, 108. We'll be rearranging the x and the numbers to two different sides. We have 69x minus 60x is equal to 207 minus 108. So we'll be having 69x minus 60x is equal to, we have it as 9x is equal to 207 minus 108, we have it as 99. So we have 9x equal to 99, from which we get x is equal to 99 by 9, that is equal to 11. We have x is equal to 11. Okay, x is equal to 11. And the question is, the numbers are, okay, we are solving this question and we are getting the value of x as 11. So the numbers are, what are the numbers? The original numbers are in the ratio 3:5, which means the numbers are 3x and 5x, which means 3 into 11 and 5 into 11, that is equal to 33, and okay, that is equal to, we have 33 and 55. Okay, we have 33 and 55. Okay, we have 33 and 55. So we have option D, 33 and 55 as the correct answer. Okay, we have option D, 33 and 55 as a correct answer. I hope it's clear. Okay, yeah. I hope, yeah, it's 33 and 55. Okay, so we have moving to the next question. Moving to the next question, question number 4. Yeah, another type of question. Okay, it's a different type of question. If 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7, 5, 3, and 4, then the smallest part is, that's a question. Okay, that's a question. If 76 is, okay, the question is, if 76 is divided into 4 parts, okay, if 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7, 5, 3, and 4, then the smallest part is, that's the question. Okay, try to do. If 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7, 5, 3, and 4, then the smallest part is. Yeah, let's try to do the question. Yeah, you can post answer in the chat box. Okay, you can post answer in the chat box. Anybody? Okay, so here in this question, okay, listen to the question. Okay, listen to this. Yeah, question clearly will be doing this as a fourth final question for the day. So we have 76 is divided into ratios of into different parts proportional to 5, 7, 5, 3, 4. 3, 4. Which means 76 is divided into 4 parts. Okay, proportional 7, 5, 3, 4, which is 76 is divided into 4 parts. The ratio 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 4. Okay, 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 4. Okay, 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 4. Then the smallest part is a question. Okay, then the smallest part. So what we'll do, we'll add the proportional numbers. We can add 7, we can add 5, we can add 3, and we can add 4. But as we have already discussed, we can't add directly the ratio numbers. We can add directly the ratio numbers because sometimes it may be the simplest form of the ratio. Okay, sometimes it may be the simplest form of the ratio. Okay, it may be the simplest form of the ratio. So what we'll be doing, we'll be putting x. Okay, we'll be putting x. So we have 76 is equal to 7x, 5x, 3x, 4x. So 76 is divided into proportion in such a way that the ratio is 7x, 5x, 3x, and 4x. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be adding that. So we have 76 is equal to 7x plus 5x plus 3x plus 4x, which means we have 7x plus 5x as 12x plus 3x as 15x plus 4x as 19x. Okay, so we'll be having 19x is equal to 76. 19x is equal to 76, from which we can solve x is equal to 76 by 19. That is, we have x is equal to 4. We'll be having x is equal to 4. Okay, we'll be having x is equal to 4. Okay, we'll be having x is equal to 4. X is equal to 76 by 19, 4. So the question is smallest part. Which is the smallest part? Smallest part is 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 4. 3 is the smallest part. So we have 3x as the smallest part. Okay, so we have 3x as the smallest part, which means 3 into 4, that is equal to 12 as the smallest part. Okay, we have 3x as a small part, that is equal to 3 into 4, that is 12 as the smallest part. Okay, we have 12 as the smallest part. Suppose if they have asked regarding the biggest part, what is the biggest part or which is the biggest part? The biggest part is 7x. So we have biggest part is 7x. That is 7 into 4, that is equal to 28. That is 7 into 4, that is equal to 28. Let's try to find the other two parts. What are the other two parts? One is 5x. So we have 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. The other one is 4x, that is equal to 4 into 4, that is 16. That is 16. Now let's try to add the numbers. So as to just to verify, just to check, we are getting the correct 76. 12 plus 28, we have 40. 40 plus 20, we have 60. 60 plus 16, we have 76. Okay, this is the way you can recheck the answer. You can recheck the answer to make sure what you got is correct. Okay, this is the way you can recheck the answer to make sure what you got is correct. Okay, so once again, I will be revising the question. In this particular question, it's given that 76 is divided into 4 parts proportional to 7, 5, 3, and 4. And the question is, which is the smallest part? So we have 76 equal to 7 is to 5 is to 3 is to 4. That's the ratio given. So we can write 76 equal to 7x, 5x, 3x, and 4x. From that, we'll be adding this individual 7x, 5x, 3x, plus and 4x. So we have 76 equal to 7x plus 5x plus 3x plus 4x. Okay, and we'll be solving it. We'll be having 19x is equal to 76, from which we'll be having x is equal to 76 by 19. We'll be having x, the value of x as 4. We'll be having the value of x as 4. In this particular question, they have asked regarding the smallest part. The smallest part is 3x, that is 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. 12 is the correct answer for this particular question. So I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Any doubts? Doubts? Okay, so that's it. We'll be winding up for the day. We'll be continuing tomorrow at the same time. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Thank you all.